Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on expanding our breath, creating more ease in our body, releasing tension in our neck, shoulders, hips, and more while using a chair for support. So let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning by placing your hands in prayer position. Gently press as you lightly lift your elbows. Gently rotate your fingertips forward, keeping the bases of your hands together and your elbows lifting. Rotate your fingertips inward, feeling a stretch through your wrists and hands. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away, lengthening through your wrists. Reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And release hands to prayer position, repeating once more. Gently press your hands together, lightly lifting your elbows. Rotate your fingertips forward, keeping the bases of your hands together. And rotate your fingertips inward. Interlace your fingers and lengthen through your wrists, pressing your palms away. Slowly reach your arms overhead, adding a lateral stretch, gently bowing from right to left. Continue with this movement, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at the top, adding a seated cat-cow stretch. Inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And on your exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, sending the point between your shoulder blades back. Inhale, lift through your heart, opening through your front body. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, stretching through your back body. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. And release, returning to center. Step your feet into a wide stance. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm up and over to the right. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Sweep across the horizon and to your right thigh. Continue with this movement, creating more space and ease in your upper body. And release, returning to center. Interlace your fingers behind your back, lengthening your knuckles away, stretching across your chest and shoulders. Bring your knuckles over towards your left waist, keeping your shoulders down and back, lightly firming your lower ribs in. To increase this stretch, gently squeeze your elbows in towards one another. Adding our next stretch, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, feeling a stretch through the right side of your neck all the way down into your right shoulder. Release, and we'll repeat to the opposite side, bringing your knuckles over towards your right waist, keeping your lower ribs in and your shoulders down and back. Optional to gently squeeze your elbows in towards one another, increasing this stretch. Adding a lateral neck stretch, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Slowly release and return to center. Moving into a seated triangle pose variation, slide over to the right side of your chair. Keep your left foot where it is and extend your right leg open to the right, pointing your right toes open, rooting down to the sole of your right foot. Draw your navel back, keeping your core engaged. Raise your arms parallel to the earth. Extend and lengthen your right arm out over your right leg, placing your right hand to lightly rest above or below your knee as you reach your top arm to the sky. Optional to turn your gaze to look towards your top hand. Continue lengthening through both sides of your waist evenly, breathing into the front, back, and sides of ribs. Adding a gentle shoulder stretch, rotate your left palm back and away. Place the back of your left hand to your low back. Gently turn your head to look towards your right foot, keeping your top shoulder rolling open to the sky. Slowly release, returning to upright, and we'll repeat to the opposite side. Slide over to the left side of your chair. Keeping your right foot where it is, extend your left leg, pointing your left toes open, rooting down through both feet. Draw your navel back and raise your arms parallel to the earth. Extend and lengthen your left side body out over your left leg, placing your left hand to lightly rest above or below your knee, reaching your top arm open to the sky. Optional to turn your gaze to look towards your top hand. Continue drawing your navel back, using your core to stabilize, lengthening through both sides of your waist. Adding on, rotate your right palm back and away. Place the back of your right hand to your low back, keeping your top shoulder open to the sky, gently turning your head to look towards your left foot. Slowly release, returning to upright, coming back to center. Moving into extended side angle pose variation. Step your right foot open to the right with your right knee over your right ankle. Place your right forearm to your right thigh and reach your top arm to the sky, broadening across your collarbones. To increase this stretch, optional to reach that top arm overhead, palm facing downwards, lengthening through that left side body. Continue breathing deeply, rolling your top shoulder open to the sky. Optional to turn your gaze to look towards your top arm. Adding our shoulder opener, reach your top arm back to the sky. Rotate your left palm back and away, placing it to your low back. Gently turning your head to look towards your right foot. Continue breathing deeply here, rolling that top shoulder open to the sky, broadening across your collarbones. Slowly release, coming to upright, repeating to the opposite side. Keep your right foot where it is and step your left foot open to the left with your left knee over your left ankle, making a right angle with your legs. Keep your legs active as you place your left forearm to your left thigh. From here, reach your top arm to the sky, broadening across your collarbones. To increase this stretch, reach your right arm overhead, palm facing downwards. Optional to turn your gaze to look towards your top arm. Continue broadening across your collarbones, lengthening your heart away from your navel. Adding our gentle shoulder stretch, reach your right arm to the sky. Rotate your right hand back and away, placing it to your low back, rolling that top shoulder open to the sky, gently turning your gaze to look towards your left foot. Slowly release, returning to upright, coming back to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole and ankle as you switch directions. Pausing, place your right ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Use your left hand to draw your right knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head. And with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and release, returning to center. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side, draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Pausing, place your left ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh and hip. Lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale, unwind, returning to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths, and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Continue cultivating awareness, allowing your breath to help you get centered. Feel your breath easy and natural now, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, feeling the expansion of your breath, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.